Welcome back to Nursing Update channel. Today we will discuss about cardiovascular nursing MCQs. First question is pacemaker of the heart. Options are SA node, AV node, Purkinje fiber, bundle of His. What is the function of pacemaker? It provides the electrical impulses to the heart muscles for beating of the heart. This is a picture you can see. There is given of how the electrical impulses are running through the heart muscles. The right answer is SA node. First is started from the SA node, then it goes to AV node, then Purkinje fibers. Which one of the following is the outer covering of the heart? Options are epicardium, myocardium, endocardium, pericardium. Epicardium, myocardium, endocardium are the three layers of the heart muscles, but pericardium, this is the picture for pericardium. This is the pericardium is the outer covering of the heart. Which one of the following is a beta blocker? What is a beta blocker? Beta blocker is a medication which stop the effect of the epinephrine or adrenaline. Okay. The right answer is A. Propranolol. State the surgical management for coronary artery disease. Option A. Valvuloplasty, B. CABG, C. PTCA, D. Heart transplantation. What is the surgical management for the coronary artery disease? Here two management is given. One is CABG and PTCA for the coronary artery disease. CABG is coronary artery bypass graft and C is PTCA, percutaneous transluminal coronary angioplasty. Okay, CABG is done in the cardiac OT. It is a surgical procedure, and PTCA is a procedure for the cath lab. It is not a surgical procedure. Here you can see calcification of the vein is shown here. यहाँ पे क्या किया जाता है, जो calcification है ना, उसको डिसेक्ट करके दूसरा वेन यहाँ पे लगाया जाता है ताकि ब्लड सर्कुलेशन स्टॉप ना हो. तो जो भी यहाँ पे वेन्स और वेसल्स लगाया जाता है ना, नॉर्मली वो होता है इंटरनल मामेरी आर्टरी लेफ्ट और राइट, एंड वन मोर वेन इज देयर इन आवर बॉडी, लेग ग्रेट सेपनस वेन. उसको हार्वेस्ट करके यहाँ पे भी बाईपास किया जाता है. ठीक है. Most common cause of acute bacterial endocarditis is option A. Staphylococcus aureus, option B. Staphylococcus viridans, Staphylococcus intermediate, and option D. Candida albicans. The right answer is answer A. Staphylococcus aureus. This is the picture for Staphylococcus aureus. Which position should provided to a patient who have sign of shock? Option A. Fowler's position, option B. Semi-Fowler's position, option C. Trendelenburg position, option D. Lithotomy position. I have already produced a video on therapeutic positions. You can check it there. Okay. Then here the right answer is option C. Trendelenburg position. In the shock, we should provide. This is the Trendelenburg position. In the shock, we should provide blood flow to the or blood circulation to the vitals organ like brain, kidney, heart. Okay. In this position, the blood flow will be more to the upper limb rather than lower limb. Okay. The next question is, a patient is on beta adrenergic blocking agent. What observation should a nurse make? Previously I discussed what is the action of beta adrenergic blocking agent or beta blocker. It stops the function or effect of epinephrine और adrenaline और epinephrine का effect और function क्या है? It constrict the blood vessels और blood vessel constriction is causes. तो इससे क्या होता है? BP बढ़ जाता है. ठीक है. If a patient on beta adrenergic blocking agent, effect of adrenaline stops. The options are depression, increase in blood pressure, decrease in blood pressure, hypoglycemia. The right answer is option C, decrease in blood pressure. Okay, we have to observe the any decrease in blood pressure is there or not. Okay. The ventricle must generate pressure to overcome the higher pressure in the aorta. Refers to options are stroke volume, contractility, preload, afterload. The right answer is option D, afterload. The layer of the heart responsible for contraction is the myocardium, endocardium, epicardium, pericardium. These are the all layers of heart, and the pericardium, the outermost layer of the heart, and the middle layer, myocardium, is responsible for construction of the heart. Which of the following is not a cause of CAD, coronary artery disease? Option A, coronary vasospasm, B, coronary embolism, C, coronary arteritis, D, coronary angiography. The right answer is option D. Coronary angiography will not cause the CAD. The coronary angiography is a diagnostic procedure or investigation for CAD. By having the nitroglycerin, which disease of the heart is cured instantly? Option A, myocardial infarction. Option B, angina pectoris. Option C, coronary artery disease. Option D, pericarditis. Now, what is the function of nitroglycerin? It's used for the vasodilatation. Then, effect of that, the blood circulation will be going on. The nitroglycerin is the medication for the angina pectoris. Option B, angina pectoris. PET stands for option A, polyethylene terephthalate, B, physical examination test, option C, position emission tomography, option D, post exposure treatment. Option C is the right answer. Position emission tomography, it is a diagnostic procedure like CT scan. It is a imaging diagnostic procedure. Name the condition when a person stand up and his BP falls suddenly. Option A, orthostatic hypotension. Option B, hypotension. Option C, orthopnea. Option D, vertigo. The right answer is option A, orthostatic hypotension. What is the melena? Option A, watery stool. Option B, blood in stool. Option C, vomiting of blood. Option D, blood in urine. Melena is blood in stool. Option B is the right answer. The next question is, in which of the following disease regurgitation of blood occurs? Regurgitation of blood means backflow of the blood in the heart. Option A, hypertension. Option C, cardiac arrest. Option C, aneurysm. Option B, bulbar heart disease. Option D is the right answer, bulbar heart disease. What is the treatment for the bulbar heart disease? Valvuloplasty or bulbar transplantation is also a surgical procedure which is done in the cardiac OT. Next question is, syncope refers to a loss of appetite, loss of consciousness, heavy breathing, persistent headache. The right answer is loss of consciousness. Syncope is refers to loss of consciousness. In which cases CPR is given? Is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Option A, person's heart stop breathing. B, person faints. C, difficult in breathing. D, physical fatigue. And the right answer is option A, person heart stop beating. Always remember, before you giving the CPR, please check the pulses, radial or carotid pulses. If the absent of pulse is there, then you can go for the CPR. Deposit of plaque on the wall of a coronary artery is called hypotension, B. stroke, C. myocardial infarction, D. atherosclerosis. Option D is the right answer, atherosclerosis. What is anemia? Option A. Deficiency in the production of normal hemoglobin, B. A disease in newborns, C. Incomplete valve closure, D. Cancer of the blood. Right answer is option A. Deficiency Option A. Deficiency in the production of normal hemoglobin. The factors associated with a high likelihood of success with PTCA are all except option A. Age less than 65 years, option B. Single vessel disease, C. Absence of calcification, D. All of the above. Option D is the right answer, all of the above. The serum creatinine kinase rises in a patient with myocardial infarction within the first 1 to 2 hours, 4 to 6 hours, 12 to 18 hours, 2 to 4 days. What is creatinine kinase? It is the enzyme present in the brain, heart, kidneys. Okay, if creatinine kinase is found in the blood, then it denotes that there is a damage in the any organ. If myocardial infarction is there, then if creatinine kinase is found in the blood, then it denotes the damage in the heart. The right answer is option B, 4 to 6 hours. Which of the following listed assessment finding is typical of cardiac tamponade? What is cardiac tamponade? It's the accumulation of water in the heart muscles. Option A pulse rate of 60 per minute. Option B, flat neck fence. Option C, moved or distant heart sound. Option D, a pulse pressure of 18 to 82 mmHg. The right answer is option C, moved or distant heart sound. A patient who is scheduled to begin treatment with acetazolamide for the management of glaucoma should be evaluated for allergy to option A, glucocorticosteroid, B, NSAID, C, penicillin, D, sulfur drugs. Option D is the right answer, sulfur drugs. A patient with high fever will most likely demonstrate the sign of decreased sweating, increased pulse rate, increased urinary output, D, increased appetite. Then option B is the right answer, increased pulse rate. Normally, cardiac cycle takes how much second to complete? Option A 0.01, option A 0.1, option B 0.01, option C 0.8 and option D 0.08. Right answer is option C 0.8. Next question is capillary refill time is normally option A 15 second, option B 7 to 10 second, option C 4 to 6 second, option D 1 to 3 second. Option D is the right answer, 1 to 3 second. The test that's more specific for myocardial damage is CKMB, troponin 1, myoglobin 1. Right answer is option C, troponin 1. सी, अगर कहीं पे भी हार्ट डैमेज का क्वेश्चन आता है और उसका ट्रोपोनिन है ऑप्शन में, तो आप पहले ट्रोपोनिन को जाना, क्योंकि ट्रोपोनिन इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट marker for the heart damage or any wrong to the heart. Okay. A non-invasive method of evaluating blood flow is A, Doppler ultrasonography, B, venography, C, angiography, D, cardiac catheterization. Option A is the right answer, Doppler ultrasonography. Chest pain is described as pleuritic when it resolves with sublingual nitroglycerin, occurs only during sleep, increase with deep inspiration and decrease with expiration, resolve with a deep breath. Option C, the right answer, increase with deep inspiration and decrease with expiration. It's called pleuritic. For a patient with symptomatic bradycardia, okay, appropriate nursing intervention include establishing IV access to administer atropine, anticoagulants, a calcium channel blocker और डाइगोक्सिन. आपको पता होना चाहिए 4 ऑप्शन का मीनिंग. तब इससे क्या होगा, आपका एक क्वेश्चन में 4 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा. 10 क्वेश्चन में 40 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा अगर आपको बिल्कुल 4 ऑप्शन का मीनिंग पता है. अगर नहीं पता है तो पता करके हमेशा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना. ठीक है. ये द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, एट्रोफिन. In which of the following vessels will blood pressure to be highest? Pulmonary artery, the aorta, the pulmonary veins, the interior vena cava. Right answer is the aorta. Obviously, क्योंकि aorta से पूरा बॉडी को ब्लड फ्लो होता है ना, तो aorta में सबसे ज़्यादा ब्लड प्रेशर ही रहेगा. Location of pain in angina pectoris is mostly hypogastric region, retrosternal, epigastric, backside. Option A. Option is option B, retrosternal, because heart is very close to the sternum only. Okay. Atherosclerosis means dilatation of arteries, softening of arteries, hardening of arteries, none of the above or none of these. Option C, the right answer, hardening of the arteries, because thrombus formation is already there. Atherosclerosis. Raynaud's disease is a neurological disorder, digestive disorder, respiratory disorder, cardiovascular disorder. Option D is the right answer, cardiovascular disorder. In following, which is the risk factor of varicose vein? Varicose vein are nothing but the swollen veins under the skin. Mostly they are present in the leg. Congenital weakness of the vessel wall, obesity, pregnancy, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. In angina, pain occurs due to accumulation of HCl, accumulation of lactic acid, hypertension, all of the above. The right answer is accumulation of lactic acid. Most common cause of angina pectoris is blockage of coronary artery, blockage of renal artery, malnutrition, post-personal hygiene. Option A is the right answer, blockage of coronary artery. Which of the following is not a risk factor of atherosclerosis? Options are obesity, smoking, stress, diet in low fat diet. इसमें थोड़ा गलत हो गया, लो फैट डाइट होना चाहिए. ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर, लो फैट डाइट इज द रिस्क फैक्टर ऑफ atherosclerosis. Next question is, the disease characterized by formation of thrombus with inflammation is thrombophlebitis. Options are angina pectoris, endocarditis, vasculitis, thrombophlebitis. Right answer is thrombophlebitis. Disease aneurysm is characterized by intermittent episodic spasm of the arterioles of extremities, vasculitis of small and medium size of veins of the extremities, dilatation of sac formed on the wall of the arterial vessel, or none of the above. Option C is the right answer, dilatation of sac formed on the wall of the arterial vessel. All of the following are nursing measures to reduce venous stasis except. आपको पता होना चाहिए व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वेनस स्टासिस. अगर नहीं पता है तो गूगल कर लेना. हमेशा जो भी क्वेश्चन का जहाँ भी डाउट हो उसको तुरंत गूगल कर लेना, तो आपको इजी रहेगा. द मीनिंग ऑफ वेनस स्टासिस इज एक्युमुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड इनसाइड द वेन फॉर द लॉन्गर टाइम. ऑप्शन ए, wearing elastic stocking. Option B, encourage mobility, don't cross leg when sitting. D, prolonged sitting. All of the following are nursing measures to reduce venous stasis. Right answer is option D, prolonged sitting. Disease varicose vein is characterized by increased elasticity of vessel wall, stenosis of veins, inflammation of veins, cognition of veins in lower trunk and extremities. This is not cognition, it's the congestion of vein in lower trunk and extremities. Option D is the right answer, congestion of veins in lower trunk and extremities. Shock is characterized by, this is not hawk, this is a printing mistake is there, it is shock, okay, shock. Shock is characterized by inadequate digestion by protein, inadequate blood flow and tissue perfusion, increased BP, decreased heart rate. Right answer is option B, inadequate blood flow and tissue perfusion. Action of dopamine is maintain BP, maintain pulse rate, maintain temperature, improve respiration. The right answer is option A. The main function or the major function of the dopamine is to maintain blood pressure in the body. During angina attack, nitroglycerin is given by IV route, IM route, subcutaneous route or sublingual route. It's sublingually. In which of the following condition most operative pulmonary thromboembolism is seen? High dose of estrogen therapy, obesity and immobility, pregnant female, all of the above. The right answer is obesity and immobility. Which pulse is palpated to see effectiveness of CPR? Radial pulse, carotid pulse, temporal pulse and femoral pulse. It's carotid pulse because it is most superficial pulse in the body and easily palpable. Which of the following is restricted for a patient scheduled for a intravenous pyelogram? Option A, salt intake. Option B, fluid intake, use of tobacco, physical activities. Right answer is option B, fluid intake. Thank you for watching.